All free time must come to an end eventually, so we left Chuo Eki and went to the hotel to drop off our stuff.
Small elevator energy. Are you touching my titty? I'm freaking addicted.
Luggage dropped off, and 7-Eleven hash brown in hand, we went out to explore the city. We arrived at a place that served a really nice Hamburg steak, and if you've never had it, it's sort of like ground beef with seasoning and other stuff. It's a kind of a classier version of a hamburger in that it's like in a salad rather than a sandwich, and it's pretty good. I rarely order it, but this place was real good, as you can see with this time lapse of me eating everything and somebody else's bread. We then went to a bookstore, looked around, and saw a bunch of stuff.
Yo, they got entire collections. Sick.
All of us were very, very tired from having a really long but really exciting few days leading up to this. So when we had the chance to sit down, it was amazing. But that was just a quick rest to grab some stuff at a cafe and maybe do a bit of shopping at the mall nearby. We had to go back to the hotel to meet up with the rest of the class.
It's the Poodle Hotel. For some reason, there's a freaking poodle on the hotel. That's where we're staying.
Cut, beauty, care, training, hotel, ceremony, iPad. Hello.
Alright, so we just arrived at the hotel we're staying at in Kagoshima for the program. So if you look out there, we have a 10th, this is the top floor, outside of the roof. So we have an amazing view of the city. It's really traditional style beds. Those are futon on a tatami mats. So we got a nice little tea table right here. That's pretty sick nasty. And I said sick nasty, god diggity dang it. Hate you, Samir. We got a little fridge. There's 13 or 14 power outlets in here. And now let's get a nice money shot of the city. So ignore that bright sunlight. Let's look out the other way. God, this is an amazing view. Alright, so now if you go to the left, we got a great view of Sakurajima, the mountain, the volcano, the sick nasty. We then went to 7-Eleven to grab some snacks. The selection here is amazing, and I ended up grabbing some curry among some other things. Alright, so we just came back to the hotel room. We went to 7-Eleven to get some snackies. I got myself some chicken katsu curry, so that's some fried chicken with curry on rice. I grabbed some other snacks like this is a white chocolate rusk. I don't know what it is, but I like white chocolate and I like cookies, so let's get it. I got this protein bar. This is my favorite brand of protein bars in Japan. They're not huge protein. The macros aren't great, but they ain't bad either. Because a lot of the protein bars we find in Japan are very high in sugar. But anyways, what'd you get, Michael?
I got some sort of spicy chicken bento with I think grilled onions and beef, and then eggs and mystery pickle.
Marco?
I got this kind of chahan, and I don't know, Sensei said it was like comfort food, or special regional comfort food.
Hey.
So it's I guess it's like a pickled vegetable. Not sure what it is, but it slaps. And then this is I'm guessing this is
Some sort
pork.
of
Hey.
But I also wanted extra mentaiko, so I got the goods.
Nice, and then
I've been eating since the vlog
what
started.
did you eat?
I got this big ass
A
pudding. Yeah.
Oh, you got the big boy.
Yeah, the New Year's pudding.
Oh, he thick.
All very thick.
Alright, so
Itadakimasu. I already did.
we're on our 10th floor hotel room with a nice view, chilling for the night. No school stuff today, but we gotta get up bright and early tomorrow. No. On our first day of class, we went to visit Kagoshima University. The nature and buildings and everything around the campus was absolutely gorgeous, and the main goal of today was just to get our bearings, have an orientation about the program, and we also sat in on a couple English classes. We were discussing Catcher in the Rye, but I had a bit of extra time. 今文化交換アメリカちょっと太ってる女といえばでもそれはなんていうの thick. We then toured the campus. There's a lot of interesting stories about the architecture and history, but as I'm recording this voiceover, nearly a month or 2 months after this all happened, my memory's a bit bleak, but the memory of the views of Sakurajima, those are fantastic. That's what stuck out most to me, as you can see right here.
All of them.
This is where they make shochu.
Well,
ウイスキーとかウォッカとかよりはずっと低い 25% なので飲みやすいと思います。
いいですね。Hollywood vibes with the palm trees and the sunset. Am I right, gamer?